nice baskets.
Well, I'm gonna go pick some apples.
Picking apples. They are ripe.
Yeah, hang on. I better run after them. They're rolling down the hill. One sec. Hang on. Yeah, they are much bigger. Nice, look at them. Nice. Come, Mommy. Ow! It hurts. Ow!
Is this the end of the tree? You're not supposed to take the whole tree with you.
No,
just
I
the
didn't.
apple.
It hurts. It was a big one that fell on my head.
Put the branch back.
I can't do that. It's not editing.
They're like mini apple pies.
Do you like it?
It's the best.
I like it. Brand new
It's-
recipe.
Fantastic.
I just created it.
Great. Good thing we have lots of apples. We're gonna eat this often.
So what are we calling this?
Apple balls.
Yeah, apple balls.
Mmm.
Yeah, I created something. It's my own concoction. Then again, everything is my own concoction.
So these are apples homegrown from our trees that have been blended in order to try to make apple balls, just like banana balls. These are apple balls. Better than Timbits. Yum yum. These smell like your cinnamon and fire cake. Yum yum. Can't wait to try this. Apple balls. So, ineffable Malaysian, what do you think of your new creation?
It's quite good. I'm quite impressed with my new creation. Nobody does this.
Is it something you'll do often?
Yeah. Since we got so much apples, I'm gonna have to treat like this.
Are you making apple balls again? We must really like it.
I think all of us do.
Yeah, it's
I
so
think you
good.
made me.
Look at that, it's made with all the good apples.
Yeah.
What a great way to have them. I mean,
Apple balls. It's so yummy, actually.
and today you're deciding to do it all with your hands.
I know, it's just easier.
What a marvelous invention.
Yeah, it's much easier rather than breaking like dishes. It's so easy to make balls. And look, just
Look, there's no oil on those apple balls.
once we're eating, let's see.
Oh, look at all the apple balls. Are those for me?
You add most of it while I was frying.
Most of them appear to be right there.
No. That was much more.
Yum yum. Better than anything sold anywhere. It's just, what do you put in there?
But no one sells this. It's my own creation.
I'd have some every day.
No one sells this. Hear the crunch. I'm going to be rich selling this on the street, some stores somewhere around with Tarek.
Very good. I look forward to being good.
Like, meaning rich? No. Be rich, son. That's no.
So, more. That's great. You must have felt guilty because I had to share the other one, eh? That's why you made more. This is not a birthday. It's a birthday celebration. It lasts 1 month. For 1 month, I will have fresh apple desserts every day. Isn't that great? Wouldn't you like to have a celebration after you?
No, I don't feel guilty. It's so much apples.
That's so good. You're such a kind, good baker. So lucky to have this.